Timmy, out the way. Don't run. Don't run. You need to guard our people, please.
Here you go, Jay.
Timmy, out the way. Don't run. Don't run.
First one.
Yeah.
Take time, please.
Good girl. Calm down.
This is 4, hey? But she's showing sign.
Yeah, you might have to top her up.
Yeah, that needle's still. It's alright, it's alright. Slowly, slowly. There we go. Shh, shh, shh. Cover the eye, cover the eye. Take the trunk. Yeah. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Sorry, 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 sorry.
So, Zimbabwe presents a very interesting opportunity for landscape conservation for two reasons. The first one, it is home to the second largest elephant population in the world. And also the government does have, regards to wildlife conservation as an anchor for tourism development and socio-economic development, which is good for the communities.
Right, we'll do this one first. Straps are lying down there, Biggie, by the animals. Just go and put them on, please. Which one? The one with the subcuts?
Just watch the breathing, yeah?
Okay, you're gonna have to let go of the trunk at some point. Okay. Guys, I'm gonna swing, hey? Keep on the breathing, eh?
Yeah.
Just
Just watching the breathing.
Keep on the breathing, eh? Okay, I'm gonna bring us first. I've got my whole box. Just leave with me talking. Hang on, guys. Mark.
How are they? Turning around.
She's fine. Yeah, if I worry, I'll just
Find
give
that.
it to
We'll do
her.
it now.
Some of the key, I think, thematic areas that we focus on include law enforcement support, research, but something that really sits well and aligns to our holistic approach to wildlife rescue, rehabilitation, and eventual release of elephants back into the wild is the partnership that we also have with Zimbabwe Elephant Nursery and Wild is Life. For the panda Masua release work that we are doing.
Hide them so that they line up. Hello. Well,